nobody should imagine or take lightly the threat that faces our nation.
In as many days since the Ministry of Health announced its first positive case of the coronavirus, the number has subsequently risen to 4 new infections Tuesday. The government of Kenya is simply taking no chances in combating the COVID-19. And though several public safety announcements have been made, either through electronic and print media or even through public barazas to sensitize Kenyans on the spread of the virus and how to combat it, the government is worried that Kenyans might be taking it a bit too lightly.
To the members of the public, to remain vigilant and appreciate that this is not a joke. This is not a rehearsal. This is the real McCoy.
Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe insisting that in countries where the spread of the virus was on an upward trajectory and suddenly decreased, this was due to a personal initiative from citizens doing the right thing.
Please, we appeal to you. When we have looked at the countries that have managed to contain the coronavirus, they are those who the citizens have taken upon themselves to take responsibility. It is those places where social distancing has been brought to bear.
And with the 4th positive case announced Tuesday, the government has come in to settle Kenyans' nerves, insisting that we must, at the end of the day, have an honest discussion about how to beat this dreadful and mysterious virus by simply practicing social distancing and maintaining basic hygiene.
Please stay away where people are congregating. May there be weddings, may there be funerals, may there be religious congregations, may there be nightclubs, may there be churches.
This will also include limiting visits to areas such as ferry crossings due to the high number of people commuting through the area, and instead, if possible, Kenyans are urged to work from home. And though Kagwe maintains that life must continue, other social and public places such as restaurants have been ordered to adhere to the highest hygiene standards. And if you have relatives or friends who are returning home from abroad, then you need to caution them to self-quarantine.
Quarantine is not a voluntary measure. It is a mandatory measure which can lead to a big fine and a jail sentence.
The government is on its knees, pleading with its citizens to be responsible during the COVID-19 partial lockdown. Shukri Wachu, K24 TV.